Hey folks, welcome to another video. Is your Chrome browser eating up all your RAM? Does it feel slower than when you first installed it? In this video, I'm not just showing you how to clear your history. I'm going to show you the secret menu inside Chrome that developers use to force the browser to run faster, smoother, and more privately. So let's get started. So first of all, go to Settings and go to Extensions tab and check for extensions that you no longer use, because one of the main reason your browser is slowing down is Chrome extensions. So just find out the extensions that you no longer use and remove those extensions. For example, I am not using this McAfee Web Advisor extension, so I'm going to remove it like that. And the next thing what you want to do is the hard reset. To do that, go to Settings menu again, and then go to Privacy and Security section, and in here click on Clear Browsing Data. So in here you can see it lists down several options that you can use to clean the histories. Click on All Time and uncheck the options that you don't need, and make sure to select this option, cached images and files, because sometimes in your Chrome cache there are some cached images and images and files, so that could be a reason your Chrome browser using much more RAM. Click on Delete on this device button to remove those caches. So let's go to part 2. In here, what we are going to do is unlock some experimental features that could enhance your browsing experience and speed. To do that, go to Chrome Flags. So in here, you can see this is the experimental features section. So in here, first thing you need to do is enable the parallel downloading. Search here parallel. You can see this option, parallel downloading. So turn on this. What this option basically do is this splits files into smaller parts to download them simultaneously. It's a game changer for large files. So next thing you need to do is enable GPU rasterization. Search for GPU. So in here, enable it. So this forces Chrome to use your graphic card instead of your processor for loading images, making web pages scroll much smoother. And next thing you want to enable is smooth scrolling. This will give you much smoother scrolling experience when you scroll across the web pages. So after you enabling all these settings, make sure to relaunch the Chrome to make it into effect. So now we are going to enable some privacy related settings. So go to Settings again and Privacy and Security and third-party cookies. So in here you need to block all third-party cookies. Click on this button and it will block all the cookies. And then next option you need to enable is security DNS. To do that, go to Privacy and Security section again and click on Security. And in here you need to select DNS provider as Cloudflare or Google public DNS. This will make your web experience much more smoother because it goes through Google or Cloudflare DNS, so that external trackers can't track your web traffic. So I select Cloudflare, and the next option you can use is memory save option, but this is a new feature in Chrome. So if you want to enable this feature, you need to update your Chrome to latest version. To enable this option, go to Settings and go to Performance. So in here you can see this memory save option. Enable this. Once you enable this, this puts inactive tabs to sleep so they don't eat your battery or RAM while you aren't looking at them, so that it will speed up your browser experience. If this is speed up your browser, comment faster down below so I know it worked. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.